Hey guys, so welcome back, and today I'll be showing you how to make this slime. And here's how the consistency looks like, and this is a tutorial without using any glue. So yeah, it's actually pretty cool. And it does really have a slime consistency, not those type of really hardened cornstarch slime or nail polish slime. And the sound it makes is also really satisfying. So without further ado, let's get started. So first you will need laundry detergent. Then you will need air dry clay. Any color will do. So here's the texture for air dry clay. And here's the one from Daiso, and it does not work for this DIY. Then you will need an empty container. And lastly, some water. So first you're just gonna get a little of laundry detergent. Then add some water. Then mix it. So now you're just gonna get your air dry clay, add your solution, then you're just gonna mix it. So basically, you're just going to keep adding the activator till you get the consistency you want. And guys, don't forget that the activator, you don't have to be too concentrated, as this will make the slime harden. And now if it gets a little too hard, just add some water. And now as you guys can see, it's getting a little bit too watery, so I'm just gonna make it more concentrated. So here is how it looks like after it's done, and as you guys can see, it's really like a slime consistency. And yeah, it's actually pretty slimy, and it's also thick at the same time, which actually does make that a butter slime. So I made another slime off camera, and here is it. So this is actually a pretty jiggly one, and it's actually pretty slimier than the purple one. So I'm just gonna make it to do a comparison. As you guys can see, it's actually pretty jiggly. And also really soft too. And here's the purple slime, which is a thicker version. Also pretty slimy. So you guys can add shaving cream for it to turn into a fluffy slime if you want it, because it's optional. So I'm just experimenting out for you guys to check it out. and its sound is super satisfying. I cannot, and it's legit really nice. I really love how it turns out. So here's how fluffy it is, and I believe you guys would like to add more of them because it's not as normal as those kind of fluffy, really fluffy stuff. So thank you guys so much for viewing today's video, and please don't forget to click that big red subscribe button, the like button, and leave a comment down below on what video would you like to view next. So yeah, thank you for watching and bye!